Feature, extrude surface. To create surface by extruding a section. Surface, trim sheet. To cut off the unwanted portion of surface. Feature, mirror feature. To mirror and copy the surface about a plane. Surface, bounded plane. To create a planar surface by selecting closed planar curves. View, visibility, edit section. To dynamically view the section of part. Feature, sew. To combine the sheet bodies into a single surface. Feature, edge blend. To round the sharp edges of the part. View, edit object display. To change the properties like color of an object. Create a sketch. Extrude as surface. Use trim sheet and remove unwanted portions. Create extrude surface and mirror about YZ plane. Use trim sheet and remove unwanted portions. Create a bounded plane surface. Use sew command to join together all surfaces into a solid. If all surfaces are closed without gap, solid will be created. Use shell command to remove inner material. Edit object display to change the color. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.